sorry, I'm going to use the symmetry option, and this is the symmetry option, and I'm going to use the basic symmetry, that is a single line symmetry. If you draw one line one side, the other line that reflects, so you can understand what is the basic symmetry and what type of sketches we can make it. I'll show you now. Now I'm making a human form in an abstract form using the pen tool, line diagrams. Then later on you can change it. As I told you, we have to close always the lines. To have the smooth lines, we have to use path tool, which I didn't pick. Now I'm going to undraw certain element to have the smooth lines. Use it. You can understand what I'm doing. You can understand. Yes, if I draw one side, automatically the other side will be erased. Now I'm coming back to the pen tool with path tool to support the direction of the pen path. I'm just connecting it because I don't want to disconnect the lines. Check anywhere it is disconnected. Now you know that this is the line I made it, but you see a lot of turbulence in the lines. See, it's not good because it's my mistake. I forget to use a path tool along with the symmetry. So the same thing I am going to draw one more again in a different layer. This is another layer. Okay, same pen tool. Now I'm going to draw. Nothing wrong. You'll see double lines, maybe which is not required. One line is our requirement, a smooth line. Let us go to the zoom in. You see, this is a old line. This is the old line. This is a new line. New line is, you see that path, smooth, straight, smooth curvature. You see here, smooth curvature. So okay, now I don't want the previous one. So where is that previous drawing? In the layer 1. So I want to layer 1 off. Yes, it's gone. Before that, now I understood some unwanted things. I'll do undo. Yes, undo. It's gone. And then this still it is there if you want, but keep it there. Later on we'll erase it. And the symmetry one more time. Put the symmetry and pen tool is on, and then put the path and connect smoothly. Close. Here. Yes. Okay. Now I am going to draw some another funny thing here. This line, I don't know from where it came. Erase it. Make sure that the other side it's gone. Okay. Take the pen tool, path, and not good, and not good, and make sure that this is touching the boundary. Yes, you have drawn something, but it's a simple basic human form. Okay, now I'm going to give some internal yes, there's something, nothing wrong. nothing wrong, but you have to close, connect, 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 connect quickly. Okay, good, not bad. Okay, not good, not bad. Now I'm going to give some waveforms to have the a different effect. It's finished. Hope that it's not finished, but I'm going to finish it quickly because I don't want to elongate this as a major what you call the picture. So let us go for let us check quickly anywhere. Is it not touched or unwanted lines? Yes, here some unwanted lines. Choose eraser tool. Eraser tool selected. Yes. What is the size of eraser? Reduce. You see how eraser works? That's good. Here also not join properly. You have to join very smooth curvature. Always keep in the mind that drawing should be as perfect, as accurate as possible. Yes. And let us finish this inside eyelid also. Let us see. He's watching downwards. That's good. Okay. Now I'm going to apply some basic colors quickly. Let us go this. Let us choose the color palette. Yes, I choose this color. I choose not that color. I choose this color and choose the bucket and the color. Okay, apply the color. Yes. After that, yes, a light color inside the face. No reason, just separation. Then the outer layer color, we have to give a little darker color. I have selected this. Yes. Next one be a little darker than that. Yes. Still go for a little darker. Is it little darker? No. Go back. Darker, little darker. Go for this color. For sure it is a little darker. And then this will be much more darker. Yes. And then your colors are almost out. Come down the what you called descending order. Descend yourself with colors to have better this thing. And then top part, finish the top part the same way. Fill this color, and then internal also fill it. Internal also take this color, fill it. Okay, Now you have this grid. This grid, according to this is the color you're supposed to follow. Fill it, fill it, fill it, fill it, fill it. Yes, another rib is there. Sorry, itself is color first. And then apply. And then this is a separate entity. Use completely a different color. Vibrant color, use vibrant color. And this one you can go either in the red, dark red, very dark. Yes. And here it should be very selective color. Very selective. You can use this. Yes. And eyes, you go for this, what you called gray. Yes, gray, not bad. Gray eyes. And apply absolute red. There's nothing wrong. Not to the line, to the filling area. Yes, you have done the paint. Extraordinary. I don't know other people like or not. Okay, this is the paint. In a simple way we have finished this drawing and applied the paint layer wise, and you got this final output. If you do it properly, you will get a better output. You can use the different colors, different color effects, and you can remove these lines to have a better professional picture. Okay, I'm closing with this. Goodbye, thank you very much.